Belgians Groenendael, Malinois, Lacanois, and Tervuren are all breeds of Belgian Shepherds, but the Belgian Groenendael is quite often referred to as the Belgian Sheepdog. They were all considered a separate breed at one time, however some countries still do lump them all into the Shepherd category. This can be a bit confusing and also call the Groenendael a Shepherd and a Sheepdog. Whatever the name, the Groenendael is by far the most well-known and favorite of the four. History of the Belgian Groenendael. Although the Belgian Groenendael is quite a mouthful and probably hasn't rung a bell with you, I will be referring to the breed also as a Belgian Sheepdog too. They are also called Chien de Burger België. Talk about a mouthful. The Belgian Groenendael was developed during the 1800s in Belgium, specifically for herding cattle. The sheepdog has a mixture of the German Shepherd, Dutch Shepherd, Briard, and Bouvier des Ardennes all rolled into this spectacular breed. They also acquired their name, Groenendael, from the kennel at which they were created. During World War I, the Belgian army used Belgian sheepdogs to relay messages and to search out wounded soldiers. The American soldiers were so impressed, they had the Groenendael imported, although today in the United States they are called the Belgian Sheepdog. Today, the American Kennel Club recognizes all four dogs as separate breeds. A few national kennel clubs still consider the Belgian Shepherd one breed with four different varieties. The Groenendael is used today for herding, working with the military and police, for search and rescue, as assistants and guide dogs, for competition and show, and also as a loving and loyal family companion. Belgian Groenendael appearance. All four of Belgian Shepherds are somewhat anatomically similar, but each breed has a very different fur coat. According to the American Kennel Club, the Belgian Groenendael lifespan of ranges from 12 to 14 years. The Belgian Groenendael male is between 24 inches and 26 inches in height and the female between 22 inches to 24 inches in height. The Belgian Groenendael male weighs between 55 pounds and 75 pounds, and the female weighs between 45 pounds and 60 pounds. The Groenendael has a muscular, agile, and strong body and is of medium size with pointed ears, almond-shaped brown eyes, a pointy muzzle, and a bushy tail. They do facially resemble a German Shepherd, but only have black fur, sometimes with subtle white markings on the face, chest, fronts of toes, or between paw pads. Mostly pure black, they have a long, straight, thick, luxurious coat. Short hair is apparent on their head. They do have a double thick coat like most shepherds, that has an undercoat for warmth and insulation and is also waterproof, allowing them to work outdoors in the best and worst of the elements. The Belgian sheepdog's coat can be a challenge in the maintenance department. There will be quite a bit of shedding and more so twice a year during shedding season when they lose their entire undercoat. Brushing about 2 times a week to remove tangles, prevent mats and get rid of loose dead fur should be sufficient. The health of the Belgian Groenendael. All dogs need wellness checkups and immunizations to keep them healthy, prevent illness, and diagnose any issues that crop up early so they can be attended to. The best thing you can do if you are considering getting a Belgian Groenendael is research a reputable breeder that participates in genetically testing their breeding dogs. This can somewhat ensure a healthy dog that does not carry any passed down genes that cause conditions or diseases to develop. Buying any breed of dog at a pet store can be the very worst choice and like playing Russian roulette. The Belgian Sheepdog is basically a very healthy breed. They should be groomed regularly, checking for any skin issues or parasites as you proceed. Their ears should be cleaned and checked and teeth should be brushed. Lack of dental hygiene can cause far more than cavities, as gum disease can develop which can, in turn, cause many health conditions, even affecting the heart. A few health issues that Belgian Groenendaels can be prone to, with some being inherited or hip and elbow dysplasia, some types of cancers, epilepsy, and eye conditions like cataracts and PRA. All Belgian Shepherds can be sensitive to anesthesia if they require surgery, so it's good to make sure your veterinarian is informed of that issue beforehand. If you are considering getting a Belgian Groenendael, hopefully, the Belgian Shepherd facts above have given you food for thought. The Belgian sheepdog can be a lot of dog to the inexperienced owner, but there is plenty of help available for training, online, with classes, or using the services of a professional trainer, so don't hesitate to check it out. A well-trained, obedient but well-rounded Groenendael can be a wonderful companion for life.